It's 6:45 p.m. It's September 10th, 2017. It is absolutely the height of Hurricane Irma here in Fort Myers at Jack's place. Not sure how fast these winds are going, but they're certainly the fastest they've been all day. I don't see any storm water coming back in, but this palm tree has fallen down. Fortunately, not broken any windows. You can see chimes, some of them given to me by my father a long time ago, swaying in the wind, and you can see really strong gusts. I have my hand on the window panes, these hurricane resistant window panes, and they're bending and swaying in and out. Remarkable technology.